Ka Trained Nurses Association of India Unit Civil Hospital Nongpoh haka khat sautrik jamang kala rakhe ya ka sngi kyrpang jongki nurse ka batip kum ka International Nurses Day halor kapang our nurses our future the economic power of care. Ya ka jing lang lapen long ha Civil Hospital Nongpoh haka jing don lang ka Dr. Dibla Medical Superintendent Civil Hospital Nongpoh ka Dr. T.S. Momin District Medical and Health Officer Ribhoy District ki nurse na ka Civil Hospital Nongpoh bat ki khana puli ka GNM School of Nursing Pahams im Nongpoh bat ki wei. Haba ay jing kren ka Dr. Dibla bat Dr. T.S. Momin kila ay ka jing ro ya baro ki nurse ki bala IT med bat mensim ban ay ka jing syakri ka bahatam hakaliang ka kot ka khia syaki budan kam jing sumar. Kila ya ru ya ki nurse ki bala syem ya ka ni ka kam ka bahakmat ban yarap ya ki nongpang.
Today, let us recognize not only their skills and knowledge, but also their empathy and humanity. Nurses are not just first caregivers, but they are the heart and soul of healthcare, tirelessly working to ensure the well-being of patients with compassion, expertise, and dedication. Nurses stand strong, providing comfort and care to those in need. They are the frontline heroes, selflessly putting the needs of others above their own, often working long hours in challenging conditions. As a nurse, you have the opportunity to heal the mind, the soul, heart and body of the patients. They may forget your name, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Nurses are the beating heart of our medical system. This is what I feel for each and every one of you. You know, I've had many good moments and experience with my friends, the nurses' friends in the past. I have learned so much from them. You know, like learning from small people or big people, remember that asking and learning is also knowledge. Nurses are my companions throughout, who have supported me throughout. Like I've always said, in all my, whenever we have a get-together with the nurses, I've always said that I spend 5 minutes with a patient, but a nurse will spend 6 hours of life every day with the patient. And every time my patient recover, the credit goes to my nursing friends. I Googled a little bit and I found the 6 C's of nursing. That is care, compassion, courage, communication, commitment, and competence. So these are the qualities that a nurse has to have to be a nurse. Yes, it is. A nurse is very unique. So you wear your uniform proudly, whether in the hospital or in the field. And you be caring and compassionate with the patients. Be encouraging. You need to give hope to your patient. And one more thing I just want to add, that always obey and respect your seniors. You learn from them. You know, we have learned so many things from our seniors. You will be experienced in your clinical side 50% just for listening and obeying to your seniors. So today I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to all the nurses who have worked with me and who have supported me and accompanied me all through my clinical experience. All of you have been so good, so kind, and I have so many unforgettable memories with all of you. I salute to all the nurses of Ribhoy and all the nurses out there in the world. You are the backbone of our healthcare system, and the world is a better place because of you. Happy International Nurses Day, and God bless.
According to the World Health Organization and International Council of Nurses, this year's International Day aims to reshape perceptions of nursing, demonstrating how strategic investment in nursing can bring considerable economic and societal benefits. To the nurses who put their patient needs above their own, we salute you. Your kindness and professionalism make the world a better place. Happy Nurses Day to the heroes who work tirelessly, often behind the scenes, to make sure everyone gets the care they need. You are appreciated more than words can explain.